Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. Mangaliso Ngema has once again accused of sexual harassment. Remember the drama that was aired on SABC2, Lethabo. Two women accused Mangaliso of sexual harassment. The other one was his PA. She allegedly left Lethabo because of Mangaliso. On the same telenovela, Lorraine Moroba also accused him of sexually harassing her. She was playing a role of Barbie. Mangaliso decided to sue Lorraine. Film Pela, the entertainment blogger, shared the news and wrote, "Actor Mangaliso sues." Ngema, who played Senzo on SABC2 telenovela Lethabo, has reportedly lodged 12.5 million rands against defamation claim against actress Lorraine Moroba and Quizzical Pictures. This follows accusations laid against him of sexual misconduct, but we still don't know even today where that case ended up. Now she is allegedly accused of raping his sister for so many times. Musa Kawula, the controversial entertainment blogger, posted a series of tweets and wrote, "Queen Ngema accuses his brother Mangaliso Ngema of raping her and trying to silence her. Queen says she's opened the case against Mangaliso and is currently at a place of safety. Queen alleges she was assaulted when Mangaliso's wife was out of the country." A thread. Another one said, "Queen Ngema alleges the many accounts of rape started 13 years ago. She had lost her son in an accident and Mangaliso offered her a place of refuge so she heals." She details the first incident took place a month after she moved in. Musa also tweeted, "Queen Ngema said she's had to hide in fear of her life and of her children as Mangaliso continues to use his influence to ensure that the case disappears. Queen says she won't be silenced anymore as she'll be joining me later tonight on Twitter Spaces to tell her story." Well, if these allegations are true, Mangaliso is a problem in this country. I mean, she has a daughter after all, but he is busy doing disgusting things to women. He needs to be behind bars. Our next celebrity we'll be talking about is Felix. Musa Kawula also called out City Press journalist and Felix for abusing his wife. He tweeted, "Meanwhile, City Press reporter Phumlani S. Langa is all the way up Felix as he is not reporting the alleged physical and emotional abuse Tracey Smith is subjected to at the hands of her husband." Felix. Felix recently assaulted Tracey and left her with a blue eye. Quickly, Felix's wife posted a video and responded to Musa's allegations. Watch the clip.
Everyone, I'd just like to address what has been posted about me and my husband on Musa Kawula's page. First of all, I'd like to say I am perfectly fine. There's nothing furthest from the truth in what that man has posted. And I do not appreciate him using my name and my husband's name for clout. I'm fine. Nothing has happened. So please stop spreading false rumors.
In the morning, Felix posted his car and was badly damaged, and it looked like he was involved in a car accident. Well, we are grateful that he managed to make it out alive. What are your thoughts on these allegations, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.